Good morning, student. In this class, we will learn about the process of digestion, which is the main topic of lesson 1, My Body. I think all of you know that we get nutrients and energy from the food, and we got this after the process of digestion. In the digestive system, we have different organs which form it. The figure shown here is of digestive system. In this, mouth is the first organ of the digestive system because digestion starts from mouth and ends in rectum. Mouth, as you know, is the first organ of our digestive system. And inside the mouth, we have different kinds of teeth, salivary glands and tongue. We have three different types of teeth and they functions differently. The first one, as you are seeing in this picture, colored in blue, is incisor. There are 4 incisors in upper jaw and 4 in lower jaw. Total number of incisor is 8. This is also known as flat teeth and it cut and bite the food. Beside the incisor, there is one canine which is also known as pointed teeth. One canine in left side and one canine in right side. So total number of canines in upper jaw is 2 and in our mouth is 4 and it tears the food. After the canine there are premolars. 2 in right side, 2 in left side. So 4 in upper jaw and 4 in lower jaw. Total number of premolar is 8. After the premolar, there are molars. 3 in right side, 3 in left side. So, 6 in upper and 6 in lower jaw. Total number of molar is 12. Premolars and molars, together known as broad and grooved teeth. These broad and grooved teeth or molars and premolars help to chew and grind the food. At the same time, tongue helps to push the food inside the esophagus and the salivary glands secrete saliva which also help to food make food smooth so that it can swallow easily. Apart from this, saliva converts insoluble starch into soluble sugar. Tongue also play an important role in the process of digestion. It is a soft, movable part inside the mouth. It is used for tasting, licking and speaking. It pushes the food into the food pipe at the time of swallowing. Taste buds are present on the tongue. 3 pair of salivary glands are also seen under the tongue. You can see it in the figure. Yes. From the mouth, food goes inside the stomach through the esophagus or food pipe. Esophagus and windpipe are at the same place, but the epiglottis present there prevent the food to enter inside the windpipe. With the food pipe, food goes to stomach and in the stomach, food gets mixed with the digestive juices secreted by the walls of stomach and food became partially digested. Now the partially digested food is passed into a long coiled structure called the small intestine. Small intestine, liver and pancreas produce some more digestive juices. Liver and pancreas pour its digestive juice into small intestine. These juice then get mixed with food and completely digested it in small intestine. The walls of small intestine absorb the digested food and pass it to blood. Blood carry digested food to all parts of body. The undigested food passes into large intestine. The walls of large intestine absorb water from it and then pass it to blood. The undigested semi-solid waste is collected in rectum and is eliminated through the anus. While eating food, it is very essential to see what should be eaten and how it should be eaten. One should always wash hands before eating, chew food properly before swallowing, not speak while chewing food, eat green vegetables and fruits every day, eat a balanced diet, take food at fixed intervals, and drink about 8 to 10 glasses of water daily. That's all.